Noble, which game will you stream in Champions League? I will stream the Bayern game. Bayern against Sporting CP. Bruno released that ball. Nice one. 2-1 Man United. Dalot. Mbeumo. Come on. Come on, United. 2-1. Come on, United. Come on. Brian Mbeumo. Brian Mbeumo. Come on. 2-1 Man United. I can't afford to get anything less than 3 points in this game. No, I can't. How can we be playing a Wolves team that is the worst team in the Premier League? A team that has just 2 points. Oh my God. Come on, Brian Mbeumo. This is what I need from you guys. Score goals for me. Come on.